In this video, we will show you how you can grow your Amazon sales by targeting competitors' products in your PPC campaigns. In this video, we will be using Helium 10 and you will learn how you can identify the most profitable ASINs to target and create strategic PPC campaigns that put your products in front of the right customers. If you want to try Helium 10 suite of tools for yourself, you will find discount codes in the video description below.
When it comes to optimizing your PPC campaigns, efficiency is the name of the game. The goal isn't just to drive clicks, it's to maximize your returns without blowing up your TAC costs or total advertising cost of sales. To strike the perfect balance, you need strategies that are both precise and cost-effective. Hi, my name is Nikki from Klik, and today we will show you two powerful yet often underutilized tools in your Amazon PPC arsenal. And these are the frequently bought together ASINs in Amazon suggested products. By leveraging frequently bought together ASINs, you can tap into Amazon's wealth of buyer behavior data to target products that complement your listings, capturing customers with high purchase intent. Meanwhile, using Amazon suggested products allows you to identify products Amazon believes are relevant to your campaigns, giving you a head start in uncovering profitable opportunities. Together, these approaches help you expand your reach, refine your targeting, and drive results, all while keeping your advertising spend in check. Let's dive into how to make these strategies work for you. Now that we have laid the groundwork for this strategy, let's dive into the first powerful PPC targeting tip: leveraging Amazon's frequently bought together ASINs to optimize your campaigns. The first step is using Helium 10 to identify frequently bought together ASINs. To start, log into your Helium 10 and use the black box tool to analyze your product's ASIN. In this case, we are looking into nursing pillow as our main seed keyword, and using the X-ray tool product research from Helium 10 to select the top competitor ASINs with the highest revenue, including your own ASIN. Once you input the 10 ASINs, you will now set the category to baby and navigate to the frequently bought together data. This feature identifies products often purchased alongside your main item, as seen on Amazon's product pages. Find complementary products that cater to the same audience, increasing the likelihood of conversion when targeted in your PPC campaigns. When reviewing the frequently bought together suggestions, focus on these criteria. First is relevancy. Choose products closely related to your main product's purpose and audience. For a nursing pillow, relevant suggestions might include nursing covers. It is often purchased alongside nursing pillows to ensure privacy during breastfeeding. Another could be the breastfeeding support pillows, and these complement a nursing pillow by offering additional comfort and positioning options. And the next could be baby burp clothes, and it is essential for parents using a nursing pillow, right? So addressing the same feeding related needs. Next criteria would be sales potential. Use Helium 10 to check the sales rank, estimated monthly revenue, and reviews of the suggested ASINs. A product like baby burp clothes with strong sales and positive reviews would indicate consistent demand. Looking at the criteria for sales potential, we can check the diaper changing mats. If they show high sales rank and steady monthly revenue, they indicate strong demand from your audience. Another could be a breastfeeding pads, frequently replenished products with high sales potential among nursing moms. Another could be a baby lounger. It's a high-ticket item that often pair with nursing pillows and show promising returns. Another criteria to look into is complementary functionality. Select products that complement or enhance the use of your item. For a nursing pillow, we can use a nursing pillow slip cover or portable diaper caddy that could appeal with the same buyers. For nursing pillow slip covers, buyers often need additional covers for nursing pillow for easy cleaning and convenience. For portable diaper caddies, these enhance the buyer's overall parenting setup, making them ideal complementary items. while baby bottle warmers can also support the feeding process, aligning with the needs of nursing pillow users. And the last criteria would be reach and niche expansion. Look for opportunities to enter adjacent niches that align with your audience. For instance, targeting a baby bathtub. Targeting this product helps you break into the niche of parents interested in baby accessories of newborns. Another that we can see here is breast milk storage bag. This attracts expecting mothers who are likely to purchase a storage for their breast milk later. And next one, or the last criteria to consider, is seasonal or gifting potential. Products like baby gift sets or breastfeeding essential kits are often purchased for baby showers and can expand visibility during peak seasons. So, if you can see some baby shower gift sets frequently purchased as gifts, especially during peak baby shower seasons. Breastfeeding essential kits, again popular for gifting and highly relevant to nursing pillow buyers. And soft baby blankets, commonly included in baby gift bundles, making them a seasonal hit. By targeting ASINs with these examples, you can ensure a balance between relevancy, profitability, and niche visibility. Now, how to set up the PPC campaigns with the selected ASINs. After selecting relevant and high potential ASINs, create a sponsored products campaign in Amazon Seller Central. Use Helium 10's data to refine your targeting by setting bids strategically based on competition and search volume. For example, if baby burp clothes are frequently bought with your nursing pillow, set a competitive bid to target that ASIN directly. Complement this with the keyword testing to identify terms like nursing essentials set or comfortable breastfeeding support. By targeting complementary ASINs and keywords, you not only increase your chance of conversion, but also gain visibility in adjacent niches, broadening your reach while staying efficient with your PPC budget. With frequently bought together ASINs covered, let's move on to the next powerful strategy, using Amazon's suggested products to further refine your PPC targeting and expand your reach. To do this, start by using Helium 10's Block Box tool. Again, we will add the ASINs that we have added from the first process. And this tool provides valuable insights to Amazon suggested products, which are based on customer searches and shopping behaviors. Once you input the ASIN, look for the Amazon suggested products or similar sections within the tool. Identify products Amazon recommends easily as related to your item. These suggestions are highly relevant because Amazon bases them on user intent and purchasing trends. Now, the criteria for selecting the ASINs to target are relevancy. Of course, focus on products that align with the primary use case of your item and appeal to the same audience. We can see here some of the results are the same and even more. So with Amazon suggested, we have 190 plus results. And for relevancy, of course, we will be choosing nursing covers. It is a natural fit for nursing pillow buyers looking for privacy while breastfeeding. Again, breastfeeding support and baby burp clothes. So these are all in the same category that complements or provides an alternative to the nursing pillow, and highly relevant as well for customers addressing feeding-related needs. Next criteria is the sales potential. When you look into the results here, use Helium 10 to evaluate each suggested ASIN's sales rank, estimated revenue, and review count. Same as what we did in the first strategy. Now we will look again in the revenue and review count of these results. And as we can see, we can also safe to say that breastfeeding pads like these ones in baby loungers as well as nursing pillows slip covers are the ones that has the highest sales potential as they are high value products, replenishable, and are frequently purchased alongside with our ASINs. The next is, again, reach and niche expansion. Select ASINs that help you break into adjacent niches or expand your audience. As we have seen here, we can also see that pregnancy pillows These are appealing to expecting mothers with a broader audience that may later purchase nursing products. This is like the prequel for nursing pillows. So you might target the mothers that are just starting their pregnancy journey. So you will be able to select or target pregnancy pillows in adjacent to your product. We can also see here some new mom gifts. So this is good for pregnancy announcement and gender reveal. So again, this is another milestone or phase in a motherhood's life that we can target, and we can also target the next phase, which is the postpartum. So look for those products that is again relevant and adjacent to the niche that you are trying to market, which is the postpartum recovery kits. This expands your visibility into the postpartum care market. An extra advanced industry tip in selecting product targeting is the number of reviews. If you are still new, you might want to target those adjacent niches that is relevant to your market for around 4.2 ratings. This is favorable as their loyal audience is quite big, there is a significant reach, and we can spotlight our product there. Instead of putting it to the big brands right away, then we will be outshined by those big brands. So how to set up the PPC campaign with Amazon suggested ASINs. Once you've selected the ASINs using the criteria above, create a sponsored products campaign in Amazon Seller Central. Target these ASINs directly by adding them as product targets. And again, base your data from Helium 10 to set competitive bids based on the sales performance and competition of each ASIN. For example, if Amazon suggests a nursing cover frequently purchased alongside your nursing pillow, included in your campaign with a well-optimized bid to capture this audience. Additionally, expand your keyword targeting with terms related to suggested products like breastfeeding must-haves or parenting essentials. This strategy not only increases your visibility with your core category, but also enables you to tap into adjacent niches, enhancing reach and driving higher conversion rates. In conclusion, leveraging Helium 10 to identify and target ASINs from Amazon's frequently bought together and suggested products recommendations is a game-changing strategy for PPC campaigns. These tools from Helium 10 give Amazon sellers unparalleled insights into customer behavior, helping you zero in on high-relevancy products with proven demand. By strategically targeting complementary ASINs and tapping into adjacent niches, sellers can expand their audience, gain visibility in new markets, and drive additional sales, all while maintaining a lean and efficient advertising budget. The real benefit lies in the combination of precision and scalability. By using Helium 10's data, you ensure every dollar spent on advertising is directed toward high conversion opportunities, significantly reducing wasted ad spend. At the same time, this approach broadens your product's reach, positioning your brand as a trusted solution for related customer needs. This not only increases profitability, but also sets the stage for long-term business growth and market dominance. With Helium 10 as your go-to tool for PPC optimization, you have the upper hand in creating campaigns that deliver measurable results. Whether you're looking to expand your product's visibility, save on advertising costs, and maximize your profits, these strategies equip you with insights and tools needed to outpace the competition and take your Amazon business to the next level. Unlock the full power of your Amazon business with Helium 10, your ultimate tool for PPC optimization, product research, and scaling to new heights. Whether you're just starting or already running a successful Amazon store, Helium 10 equips you with the insights and strategies you need to stay ahead of the competition. And now you can save big while taking your business to the next level. Exclusive savings just for you. Get 10% off any Helium 10 monthly plan with coupon code ORANGE10 or save even more with 20% off for your first 6 months using coupon code ORANGE6M20. Don't miss this opportunity to maximize profits, reduce ad spend, and grow your brand faster than ever. Use the coupon codes in the description below to start building a smarter, more profitable Amazon business today with Helium 10. If you like the videos that we just made, don't forget to send in good vibes in the comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Orange Klik. This is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thank you for watching.
I hope this video will help you to increase your sales with smart competitor targeting. If you want to try Helium 10 suite of tools for yourself, for your Amazon business, check the link in the video description, as well as special discount codes which you can use when you sign up. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. Leave a comment below if you have additional questions on the content you watched. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn more PPC strategies to boost your Amazon sales. So check this out.